Po ako kasama ko lang din.
Hi guys, and welcome again to our channel. I will be sharing with you on how, with the help of God, we were able to raise a smart, loving, respectful, compassionate, and most importantly, God-fearing human being, our son Martin. Iba din kasi ang culture nila dito compared diyan sa Pilipinas. So, we are kind of worried on how to raise him in such a way that we can instill in him the Filipino way na may respeto sa magulang. They said it's the parents' upbringing on how their children will grow up in becoming a good Samaritan. It's how you mold your child in order to become a better person.
Yes, thank you, Dad, and
Mom.
You're gonna buy a new car? No. It's not gonna open, but I see
Wow, oh
some,
my
like
God,
chair
thank you.
maybe like I see like one
Oh my god.
for ladies and like ladies and men.
That is cute.
So I went there.
Well, in our case, we allowed him to be his own persona or his own self. We give him the freedom to choose what he wanted to be in life. We are only here to give him the support and guidance that he needs and not put pressure on whatever decisions he wanted to make. And if he make the wrong choice, then we are just here to support and not put the blame on him if he made the wrong decision. But what's good about it? He always listens. Sometimes we also need to respect his decisions because he has his own life to live. And if he fails, then that's a lesson that he needs to learn in life because that can make him a better person in the future. I can truly say that we are lucky because even at an early stage, we already knew that he will have a good future ahead of him because he has the determination and perseverance to pursue his goals and dreams. The school he went to is also a big factor because they were taught on how to manage time properly, or time management, and most importantly is discipline in providing a good foundation for their success. And also a very important thing to know is that happiness in life comes from love, from our friends and from our family, and most of all, to put God first above all.
Congratulations, Stony Brook class of 2022.
This concludes our formal ceremonies. Congratulations to everyone.
And finally, our job is not to make them become what we would have them become, but to support them in becoming their glorious self. Have a nice day. Bye.